Hi folks, we've been busy researching drum microphones to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what drum microphone you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best drum microphones. The 5th product on our list is the Shure SM57-LC. The Shure SM57-LC is a dynamic instrument microphone that any musician will love. Its frequency response is contoured to capture your sound clearly. The mic's build is durable and compact, weighing only 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms. You'll have no problem taking it with you. You can get professional quality audio with the SM57. Whether it's close to an amp or you're using it to record your snare drums, this mic doesn't distort your sound. It captures high and low frequencies with great accuracy. It has a uniform cardioid pickup pattern which helps it isolate your audio while rejecting background noise. This is especially helpful if you do live gigs or if you record with a band. This mic features a pneumatic shock mount system that helps eliminate noise when you're handling it. If you're looking for a high quality mic with sound and build to match, Shure's SM57-LC is an excellent option. It has an affordable price tag along with XLR connectivity. The 4th product on our list is the Audix D6. The Audix D6 is a dynamic cardioid microphone with a lightweight body. Its build is compact and it's easy to position so you can get the best sound. It weighs less than a pound or 0.1 kilograms, making it easy to transport when you're doing gigs. The D6 has a unidirectional pickup pattern that helps with sound isolation and rejects background noise. It boasts a very low mass diaphragm which ensures that your sound stays natural and accurate. This mic's frequency range is wide at 30 Hz to 15 kHz. Feel free to play your drums as hard as you want because this mic can handle sound pressure levels up to 144 decibels. The mic's aluminium body is durable, sure to withstand daily use for years to come. The steel mesh grille protects the more delicate parts of your device. The Audix mic has XLR connectivity which gives you plenty of options for compatibility. The mic is responsive and captures the smallest details of your sound to create an excellent 3D picture. It comes with a mic clip to help you secure the mic. The Audix D6 is perfect for kick drum recordings. It suits rock, metal and pop genre. The 3rd product on our list is the Audix DP5A pack. The Audix DP5A is everything you need in a microphone bundle. You get 5 professional quality mics that will give you excellent live sound or high quality audio recordings. This set is tailored to suit the standard drum kit. Whether it's the kick, snare, rack toms or floor toms, you'll find a perfect mic. You get the brand's D6 kick drum microphone in the box, which is a must-have for any drummer. It has a cardioid pickup pattern to ensure that your primary sound source is isolated. The i5 is best for your snare drums and has the same pickup pattern as the D6. To get the best sound, you should place this mic 2 inches above the rim. It should be pointed toward the centre so you get that perfect blend of attack and resonance. You get 2 Audix D2 microphones that have a durable body with a hypercardioid pickup pattern. The D2 is a high SPL dynamic microphone that is perfect for close miking. To capture your drum's sound resonance and decay, you should put the mic 2 inches above the head, pointing towards the centre. The D4 fundamentally does the same things as the D2 and records sound with a minimal ring. This set wouldn't be complete without mic clips and rim mounts. These accessories are durable and sure to keep your mics steady. The Audix DP5A set is perfect for drummers who are looking for a durable and complete package. The 2nd product on our list is the Samson DK707. The more the merrier is true with Samson's DK707 drum mic set. You get not 5 but 7 microphones to cater to your every need. Once you open the box, you'll find a carrying case that houses the units. It's also helpful if you're going to travel with the mics. There are 4 Q72 units. These are dynamic microphones that are perfect for tom or snare drum recordings. They all have fixed mic stand attachments and drum mounts so that you can place them securely during recording. Next is the Q71 mic for your kick drum. You get a lot of thump with this large diaphragm mic. It features a rubberized stand mount to reduce low frequency rumble pickup. If you'd rather not use the stand mount, it's easy to remove and replace with other microphone clips. Lastly, there are the two CO2 pencil style condenser mics. They help you capture those sparkling high frequencies. They're perfect as overhead mics or for hi-hats. The mounts are designed to help eliminate rumble that your mic might pick up from the floor. Samson got a lot right with this drum mic set. If you're in the market for great sound across all units, the DK707 is the perfect buy. The first product on our list is the Sennheiser E604. The Sennheiser E604 is sold as a pack of 3 and for good reason. This is a dynamic microphone with plenty of functionality. It's excellent for toms and snares with a 40Hz to 18kHz frequency response. It boasts a tight cardioid polar pattern that helps reject background noise and zone in on your primary source. You'll be thrilled with this mic if you dabble in other instruments. It can also handle recordings for wind instruments, guitars and more. The E604's build is solid. It has a rugged and compact body. The composite glass housing of the mic helps protect the interior and keep your mic in tip-top shape despite constant use. Each of the 3 mics has an attachable mic clip so you can mount it on the rim of the drum. You get plenty of flexibility with the clip so you won't have any trouble getting your mic at the right angle. Sound-wise, toms can be tricky to record. This won't be a problem with the E604 as you'll be able to get crystal clear and full sound. This mic handles hard percussive sound well. You can also get that high attack sound with smooth ends from your snare drums. This Sennheiser set is a great bargain. The E604 will be a great companion for any drummer or musician. And there you have it folks, the 5 drum mics that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.